We have. We just need more bodies. That's all. That's all we need. We just need more bodies. I'll pull forward a bit.
Oh my god.
They will serve their purpose. Excellent. Are there more bodies? Where are they?
I think you might have got them all.
Excellent. Let us go. Come aboard, my child. We must find more meat for the wagon. Do you hear those sounds? Do you hear them? That is the sound of joy. I can't control the vehicle. The sounds of joy. They have passed over to the other side. And they follow us in our wake. In our wake. We need more volunteers. Look, it is volunteers. Come, children.
Let him shoot. There we go.
Come to us. Oh,
He's called for more.
perfect. Perfect. More
Here they
bodies.
come.
Oh, hello there.
Right, the guy with the gun's done.
Oh, look, a helicopter. They're bringing some metal with them. Bring them to me, my servant. Bring them to me.
Oh lord.
The wagon must be fed. Feed it.
Okay, that one's missing. Where is it?
They will.
Oh,
No, they have been taken from us. Impossible.
oh. So this is what it looks like while you're driving.
I must. Oh, there is more. More civilians, no less. Hello, sir. Come to us. Come, you will serve. Eden's Gate. Eden's Gate was only the beginning. Come to me, my child.
Oh,
Eden.
there's an elite guy over here.
Oh, perfect. His prestige will add to our own. No, the bodies are being taken from us.
Oh no.
They are being taken. Perhaps they must be ascending. Yes, bring the body to us. I will find this long-range
Here
ruffian.
comes another one.
Oh, exited to parachute. Hello, my friends. There is a wolf inside here. You serve no purpose. Where is the body? The human. I must have the human. Aha! There he is. I am bringing the final piece of the puzzle. A vehicle approaches! More bodies for the wagon.
I shall prepare them.
Excellent. Prepare the bodies for movement. Our loyal...
Oh my god,
our,
the physics are freaking out so much.
excellent. We must break the world of reality. Ascend past this mortal plane. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, look! It's such a glorious sight to behold! Oh! All aboard the meat wagon. This man even has an apron aboard. Excellent.
Oh my gosh.
If you will observe the arrangement, the sacred twisting. They have called it many names in many cultures. Some call it the Great Collapse, as Eden's Gate have, but they were wrong. I am the collapse.
Lap.
Oh, the beautiful sounds. Oh no, I can't control the vehicle. Oh no! Oh no! I think we're stuck. No, we're not stuck. Not at all. Oh goodness! I can't. I can't. Oh, jeez! Oh my god! Oh, we've lost so many bodies!
Oh, have they all fallen off?
One of them came off. But I think it's starting to actually despawn them now. Oh, Jesus.
So what?